Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on Snapchat, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. As you see here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.